If you've been stuck comparing the Leica M11, Leica Q3, and Leica SL3 for months, you're not alone. That endless cycle of research, indecision, and just one more review is real, and it's quietly draining the joy from your photography before you've even pressed the shutter. The truth is, there's only one Leica most photographers will ever truly need, and understanding why could completely change how you shoot. The constant comparison between Leica systems isn't just about specs, it's about identity. In the Leica world, owning an M says you're serious, that you value craft and heritage. An SL suggests you're a professional, someone who needs power and versatility. But that social pressure keeps you circling the decision, paralyzed by choice. Months pass. You've read everything there is to know about each model, but your shutter count hasn't moved. That's the quiet cost no one in the community talks about. Leica wasn't built for that kind of noise. At its core, this brand was founded on the idea of reduction. One camera, one lens, one commitment to seeing. The photographers who shaped Leica's legacy weren't chasing new sensors or swapping lenses every week. They were mastering one tool so completely that it disappeared between them and the image. Somewhere along the way, that purity got buried under upgrade culture. But one Leica in the current lineup revives that original philosophy with modern capability, and it's the one camera that photographers often overlook because of a single word: fixed. Yes, the Q3 has a fixed 28mm lens. But that word, fixed, doesn't mean what most people think it means. In fact, once you understand the full picture, it changes everything about how you see the camera. The Q3 houses a 60-megapixel full-frame BSI CMOS sensor with triple-resolution technology, letting you shoot at 60, 36, or 18 megapixels, depending on your needs. At full resolution, you can crop aggressively, without sacrificing image quality. That one feature alone transforms the fixed lens limitation into creative flexibility most photographers underestimate until they try it. You're effectively carrying a range of focal lengths in a single lens, without ever changing glass or breaking the flow of shooting. The lens itself is a 28mm f/1.7 Summilux ASBH with optical image stabilization, giving you the balance between context and intimacy that defines Leica's visual language. It's wide enough to build environment around your subject, yet fast and sharp enough to isolate them beautifully. At f/1.7, paired with stabilization, the Q3 becomes a low-light powerhouse. You can walk into difficult conditions with confidence, knowing the camera will keep up. That confidence directly affects how you shoot. When the gear stops getting in your way, you start focusing on the story in front of you. Autofocus is fast and intelligent, blending phase detection and contrast detection systems with reliable eye, face, body, and even animal tracking. It shoots up to 15 frames per second, giving you speed when you need it but never forcing it on you. The Q3 respects your pace and adapts to the photographer, not the other way around. On the video side, it's equally capable. 8K at 30 frames per second, 4K at 60 frames per second in 10-bit 4:2:2, and ProRes HQ in Full HD up to 120 frames per second. A 5.76 million OLED viewfinder and a tilting 3-inch touchscreen complete the setup, all in a compact body that costs around $6,735. From day one, you have everything you need, no extra lenses, no endless accessories. But beyond specs, what makes the Q3 special can't be listed on a datasheet. Spend a few months committed to it, and something subtle starts to happen. At first, you'll notice what you can't do: no zoom, no lens swapping. But somewhere around week 6 or 8, that noise fades. The 28mm becomes a language. You start seeing in 28mm. Compositional instincts sharpen. You begin to know exactly where to stand, how close to get, when to wait. The consistency trains your eye faster than any variable setup could. The 60 megapixel sensor accelerates that learning curve, letting you crop when needed without guilt, until confidence replaces hesitation. That's the real power of the Q3, and it doesn't appear in any marketing brochure. For street photography, that fast 28mm f/1.7 pulls in light generously while stabilization keeps handheld shots razor sharp, even at night. The autofocus is so dependable that it fades into the background. You stop thinking about settings and start being present. For travel, the simplicity is liberating. One camera, one bag, high-resolution files, and total creative freedom. You're no longer managing lenses or worrying about missed shots. You're actually seeing the places you visit, not just documenting them. That mental freedom, the absence of gear management, translates directly into stronger, more meaningful images. Even for environmental portraits, the Q3's perspective brings something unique. Shooting close with 28mm includes the world around your subject, telling their story in context. At the same time, that f/1.7 aperture still gives enough separation to draw attention where it matters. The results feel alive, grounded, subjects not isolated from their world, but part of it. Now, to be fair, this isn't to dismiss Leica's other icons. If the tactile, deliberate rhythm of the rangefinder experience is what calls to you, then the M11 remains irreplaceable. The manual focus, optical viewfinder, and timeless shooting process are a world unto themselves. Nothing here argues against that magic. But when it comes to pure capability, across the broadest range of real-world shooting scenarios, the Q3 stands nearly alone. The SL3, on the other hand, deserves respect for hybrid creators. With 24 megapixels, multi-shot mode up to 96 megapixels, 30 frames per second bursts, 5-axis in-body stabilization, and 6K open-gate video with no recording limits, it's a production powerhouse. Priced around $5,665 before lenses, it's built for those whose workflow truly demands top-tier video and photo integration. For that audience, it's perfect. But for those whose heart lies in still photography, whose creativity thrives on focus and commitment rather than infinite options, the Q3 is the complete answer. The SL3 adds range. The Q3 removes noise. They serve different photographers entirely. The endless gear anxiety, the quiet hum in the back of your mind that says something better is always one purchase away, ends the moment you understand what the Q3 represents. It's not about being the most expensive camera in the lineup, it's about being the most complete. When you look beyond the marketing, you see it clearly: one body, one lens, 60 megapixels, a Sumilix optical formula, and a philosophy rooted in why you fell in love with photography in the first place. Leica was never about what the camera could do, it was always about what you could do with it. The Q3 brings that idea into the present. It's not a compromise, it's clarity. It's the camera that simplifies your process, sharpens your instincts, and restores the joy of shooting. For most photographers, it's genuinely the only Leica they'll ever need. And once you commit to it, you'll finally stop comparing, stop researching, and start creating again.